So just going to drain the brake fluid here, and then there's a bracket to undo under here, this Allen bolt, and then I'll drain it from the other side too, and chuck this new one on. Hopefully it's long enough. Just kind of estimated it, so yeah. So got that line off, and so I guess I'll start mounting the new one, and hope that it's long enough. Yeah. Also going to put a brake switch here, a pressurized one, just a banjo bolt brake light switch, just because I'm taking off the switch housing. Got an aftermarket headlight and horn switch. So yeah, that went on all good. Just haven't bled the brakes yet. Just going to leave it until the end, and also going to take this apart so that I can solder the wires onto this brake light switch. Also may consider putting it on the bottom. I don't know. Kind of ruins the stainless steel brake line in a way, but yeah. But yeah, that's it for that. Yeah.